How to message multiple people in Slack. Need to chat with more than one person at once? Here's how to message multiple people in Slack. So, first go ahead and open up Slack. Head over into that specific group where you want to message multiple people. Click on this new message button and then go ahead and enter their name into this two sections. So, go ahead and add all of the people or individuals you want to message. You can only add up to 8 people and then start a group DM. Everyone sees the conversation in one private thread. If you're already in a channel, mention multiple people with at username and this notifies each person directly while keeping the conversation in the channel. For ongoing group discussions, create a private channel. Name it, invite your members, and you'll have a dedicated space for collaboration. Remember, group DMs are limited to 8 people. For larger groups, use a channel and be mindful. Tagging multiple people sends notification to all of them. And that is how to message multiple people in Slack.